Hi everybody, I hope you're all okay. So today I'm going to show you a quick video on how we cut carrots. The first thing you need to get yourself is a damp cloth. I'm going to pop that on there so your chopping board doesn't slip. The next thing we're going to do is get a chopping board and we're going to put that on top. Now that will stop it from rocking everywhere. Okay, so we're going to do two types of carrots. The one that we're going to do is we're just going to chop the top off as little as possible. Chuck that into your handy little bin. Chop the little end off if you need to, if it's dirty. And then we're going to hold it like this, like a bridge. We're going to push our knife underneath our hands and we're going to push it down into the top of the carrot like this and slice it all the way down. Okay? Once it's like that, it's not going to roll around like the other one did, so we can now slice it. So move that one to one side. We're going to push our thumb at the back, so we can push it like that. And then we're going to have our fingers at the front, which we're going to pull it like that. So together, it keeps it still. We're going to make sure that these three fingers are out the way, and just this one is the one that we're going to be chopping from. So rest your knife on your knuckle and chop. And then move your fingers backwards a tiny bit and chop. Backwards a tiny bit and chop and chop. And keep going like that. Now I hold my knife at the actual blade and I keep the palm of the majority of the handle in my hand like that. So I can get really good chopping action with it. So that's how I do that. Now the other way you can do it is in strips, so you could put your carrot into half. You can do the same again with your thumb at the back, and now you can cut strips of carrot like that. And then when you get to the end, you can just put your hand over like a bridge and try and do that like that. It's a bit safer. Okay? Don't worry about your speed will come. You can even turn it around like that. And then for the other one, it's all about the technique at first. So the other way of doing it is where you can peel it. So you can just peel the outside of it. Just hold this top part. Don't worry about that yet. We can do that after. We don't want to go too hard to actually get the carrot off. We just want to get most of the old skin off. And then we'll just finish off with that top end. Okay, now make sure it's all nice and clean. Chop those to one side. Now we can chop the top off. We can chop the bottom off if you need to. And then we can either roast that, we can chop it into a length like we did the other one. And then we can roast those for a roast dinner. So then we can have nice roasted carrots. We can have carrots that go into a salad, or we can have carrots which are going to go into a cottage pie. So that's how we cut a carrot. Let us know how you do it in the comments below, and thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and we're on Facebook and Instagram as well, so have a little look over there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, bye bye.